CrewCooler is an axial propeller fan. It is designed to produce a powerful beam of air. This allows the product to produce a focused beam of air down aisleways and for focused point ventilation where employees are working.
The feel was very stagnant, uncomfortable, hot environment for our team members, led to increased fatigue of our work staff.
It has aerodynamic blades. It has an aluminum directional cone paired with straightening vanes.
So since installing the CrewCoolers here in the plant, the productivity has increased. We have a higher morale for our team member. We also have a safer environment with a more regulated airflow throughout the plant. Highly recommend the CrewCooler for any kind of warehouse facilities. Our facility is about 80,000 square foot under roof. This is a very economical solution for us to provide quality airflow throughout our plant. This is a safe and cost-effective way to ventilate a very large space.